Omuma Shikao. Omuma Shikao. Shikao. God bless you. My name is Ismael Oforibika, DG of the One Rivers Coalition. Today we are here to join people of Omuma to thank God for the victory of our principal, His Excellency Sasimilaye Fubara, GSS, Governor of Rivers State. There's a story in the Bible. There is a story in the Bible of a man that acquired so much wealth, and he said to himself that my strength, my power, my energy has given me all this wealth. Therefore, my soul rejoiced in your labor. And that night, God said to him, "You are a fool. You will die this night because He did not give you glory." We are not like that man. Another story in the Bible, we are 10 lepers. We are healed by Jesus Christ. But only one came back to say thank you. And Jesus said, "I healed 10 of you. Where is the remaining 9? We're not like those 9. We are like that one leper that came back to say thank you. Today we are thanking God for the Supreme Court victory of our principal. We are thanking God for the civil servant that was paid 100,000 last year for his Christmas bonus. We are thanking God for the civil servants who have been promoted, the ones that were paying 18K before, but now they will earn minimum wage. We are thanking God for the man in Okika that will, in 3 years' time, no quarter to rent a house in Port Harcourt and pay high house rent, but will take the ring road from Okika to his workplace and his secretariat. We are thanking God for a man that is governor of Rivers State that God has planted. And you know, whatever God plants, nobody can uproot. Whatever God plants, nobody can uproot. We are thanking God for giving Rivers State not an Incho governor, not an Engr governor, not an Ogoni governor, not an Eshoma governor, not an Oreshi governor, but a governor of Rivers State. A governor across tribe, a governor who does not discriminate. The rich and the poor, the high and mighty are all his friends. That is the man we are here to thank God for. Hey, Omuma Shekao, Omuma Shekao. Today we are saying, God, thank you. What shall we say unto the Lord? All we have to say is thank you, Lord. Finally, we are thanking God for the liberation of Omuma. Thank you and God bless you.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.